Hello friends, good evening everybody. Today topic positive rate lowest in 6 months of COVID-19. The positive rate COVID-19 touched 3.15% of lowest in nearly 6 months on Monday. This was also the seventh day running when the positive rate number of positive cases from those tests remained below 5%. The positive rates Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday was 4.96%, 4.78%, 4.2% and 3.68% respectively. In monthly positive positive declined to 3.15% today from 15.26% on 7th November. During the same period, RT-PCR positive reduced to 6.68% from 30.20%, lowest positive rate in the last 6 months. Steadily, corona cases corona cases and positive coming down. Hope this will continue. Please observe all precautions. Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain wrote to letter and they tweeted on Twitter. Public health specialists say declining positive rate signals away of the third wave of the infection outbreak in the national capital. On Monday, Delhi recorded 1,674 new cases of COVID-19, taking the total infection totally in the state to over 5.93 lakh. The positive cases came from 53,207 tests, 21,362 RT-PCR and 31,845 rapid antigen tests conducted in the last 24 hour. 63 fatality were recorded in the past 24 hours, publishing the health tool in the national capital to 9,706. The tally 2 cases on Monday dropped to 22,486 from 24,693 to previous day. Here you can see the number of active cases has been depending conditions of constantly, because the number of patient recovering has been more than new cases from nearly a fortnight. On Monday, 2 new cases were 1,674 and recorded Patients were 3,818. The medical director of LNJP, Lok Nayak Hospital, said, and he also said a stricter enforcement of rule to wear mask in public place was one of the key action uh, that helped to uh, controlling outbreak. Aggressive aggressive testing and treatment also played a key role. He added the dip in cases. You know, he helped reduce the rush in hospital, which had 2,000 reserved bedded for COVID-19 patient, had 1,645 vacant bedded on Monday at AIMS Trauma Center, Safdarjung, GTB, and Apollo Hospital. Also, there were 77,264, 1256, and 123 vacant bedded respectively for COVID-19 patient. In total, the real-time date shared by the hospital in the Delhi Corona app showed 12,896 out of the 18,813 COVID-19 bedded were vacant. Total 2,258 ICU bedded, bed 484 with ventilator, and 774 without ventilator will also vacant in Delhi. Approximately this idea is approximate. So I hope कि maybe continue everyone wearing mask and social distancing follow for control of breeding cases of COVID-19. Thank you for watching my video, and share and subscribe this video. Thanks.